Today, I'm showing you how to fix Facebook videos not playing on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap the search bar at the top and type Facebook. If you see an Update button next to the Facebook app, tap it to install the latest version. If it says Open, that means your app is already up to date. You can skip this step. Step 2. Open Device Settings. Exit the Play Store and open your device settings. You can find this in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. This shows all the apps installed on your device. Step 4. Find Facebook app. Tap on Facebook when it appears in the results. Step 5. Access storage settings. Once you're in the Facebook app info page, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Step 6. Clear Cache. Tap Clear Cache in the bottom right corner. This removes temporary files that might be causing video playback issues. Note that clearing cache won't delete your login information or personal data. Step 7. Restart your device. After clearing the cache, completely restart your Android device. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart or Reboot. Once your device restarts, open the Facebook app and try playing a video. The issue should now be resolved, and videos should play normally. Additional tips. If videos still won't play, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. You can also try clearing Facebook's data by going back to storage settings and tapping Clear Data, though this will log you out of the app. And that's it. Your Facebook videos should now play without any issues on your Android device.